Welcome to our workshop. Today we got another opportunity to meet and learn about our health. My name is Tibafura. I'm going to be your facilitator. Today we are going to learn of how cholera can get spread in the community, how we can prevent ourselves from getting infected by it, and what first method to practice to cure it. How cholera spreads. Cholera is a serious diarrheal infection caused by eating food or drinking water which was contaminated with the bacterium Vibrio cholera. This is the name of the bacteria of cholera. Although it is a serious disease, but it is also curable. The picture shows how sometimes people pour in the bank of the rivers instead of using toilets. To drink water which is not boiled may also be the cause of cholera. Eating raw shellfish may also cause cholera. Prevention and control. A multifaceted approach is key to control cholera. And to reduce deaths, a combination of surveillance, water, sanitation and hygiene, social mobilization, treatment, and oral cholera vaccines are used to control and prevent. The best way to prevent cholera is wash hands. Wash your hands with soap and clean water regularly to avoid cholera by following the steps. Wet your hands with water. Apply soap into your hands. Scrub at least for 20 seconds. Rinse with clean water. Then dry up with towel or air. Food. Eat well-cooked food, seafood, to avoid the contamination of cholera, and make sure to clean all kitchen area. Wash, peel, and cook your food before eating. Always make hot food to be hot and cold food to remain cold, like ice cream, Lacrines. Practice environmental hygiene. Always use the latrine to dispose your fecal waste to avoid the contamination of bacteria. Well, the little red thingy that looks like a house is supposed to be the latrine itself. The first step to cure cholera. The first step is to cure this disease by using the oral rehydration solution by mixing with 1 liter of water mixed with sugar and salt. Then, if it becomes so serious, contact the professionals immediately. Go to the hospital, or better yet, go to the clinic. Stopping cholera. Do not pour into rivers. It is our responsibility to teach the children that they should always take care of rivers. Boil your drinking water or use chlorine treatment. Prepare your food properly. Wash your hands after cleaning your baby's body. Do not throw waste into the river. That is littering. It's terrible. Don't do it. Today we talked about the spread, prevention, and first step to cure cholera. Do you think we will be able to help the community with this knowledge? Thank you for attending this program. I am your host, Tibafura, or your facilitator. Bye.